What will the world look like in 10, 20, or even 50 years from now? And more importantly, what skills will you need to thrive in this uncertain future? The answer may surprise you. To continue receiving insights like these, subscribe to our channel and join our growing community where we strive to become a force for change and inspire others. Elon Musk, one of the world's most successful entrepreneurs, once proclaimed, "If something is important enough, even if the odds are against you, you should still do." Musk's words embody a mindset that embraces challenges and sees opportunities where others see obstacles. Subscribe now, and together, let's make an impact. Indeed, the ability to adapt to change, to learn and unlearn, is becoming increasingly crucial. In a world that's evolving at breakneck speed, the most sought-after skills are not technical abilities, but rather soft skills. Communication, creativity, critical thinking, emotional intelligence. These are the skills that will empower you to navigate the future with confidence. Consider the words of Arianna Huffington, co-founder of the Huffington Post. "We need to accept that we won't always make the right decisions, that we'll screw up royally sometimes. Understanding that failure is not the opposite of success, it's part of success." Embracing failure, turning it into a stepping stone rather than a stumbling block, is a skill that will serve you well in the future. Or take it from Richard Branson, founder of the Virgin Group, who said, "Do not be embarrassed by your failures, learn from them and start again." Failures, mistakes, they're not the end. They are lessons, opportunities for growth and improvement. Then there's Jack Ma, the founder of Alibaba Group, who said, "If we want to change the world, we change ourselves." Change starts from within. It's about personal growth, about becoming the best version of yourself. It's about taking control of your future and shaping it according to your dreams and aspirations. The future is uncertain, yes, but it's also full of possibilities, and the only way to seize those possibilities is to equip yourself with the right skills, the right mindset. To do so, subscribe to our channel and join our community. Remember the words of Steve Jobs, "Innovation distinguishes between a leader and a follower." So, be the leader. Innovate, create, and shape your future. With our guidance, equip yourself with the skills that matter. Embrace change, embrace failure, embrace growth. Become a part of our community and let's make an impact together. The future is in your hands. It's up to you to shape it, to make it what you want it to be. So start today. Equip yourself with the skills you need to thrive in the future. Embrace the mindset of the world's top entrepreneurs. Take control of your future. You have the power to create your own world. Use it. Because, as Mark Zuckerberg said, the biggest risk is not taking any risk. So, take the risk. Take control. Shape your future. The world is waiting for your impact. Welcome to a community of leaders and entrepreneurs who are fueled by a passion for luxury, technology, and speed. As we unlock the doors to a world where opulence meets innovation, we invite you to partake in this voyage. Picture the roar of sports cars, the sleekness of yachts, the thrill of fast airplanes, and the serene beauty of luxury islands. We encourage you to not just observe but engage. Share your knowledge, your insights, your experiences. This is more than a community. It's a movement of leaders who are ready to make an impact on the world by engaging and teaching others. So, join us, share, subscribe, and let's together shape the future of luxury and technology. Let's make an impact. Let's lead. Thank you for joining us on this journey where luxury meets technology and leaders are born. But remember, this voyage does not end here. It's now your turn to step onto the stage and make an impact. Share your insights, your experiences, your wisdom. Teach others, engage with the community. This is not just about subscribing to a channel, it's about subscribing to a cause of leadership, of innovation, of making a difference. Harness the power of technology and luxury, and use it to propel you to new heights. Your journey starts here, and the world is your stage. Join us, share, subscribe, and together, let's shape the future. Let's make a difference. Let's lead.